Mindful Buddies is the first and only guided meditation stuffed animal that introduces mindfulness to kids. Omi is a fully interactive stuffed animal with 4 settings to help teach children about mindfulness and improve self-regulation.
Mindfulness is about being right here, right now, in the present moment. It helps you not worry about what is going to happen in the future or what has already happened in the past. Omi helps you recognize your feelings and better control them.
Teenagers like myself often deal with stress and anxiety. I have found, though, that the mindful practices I was taught as a young girl helped me be better equipped to handle my high school years. Omi the Elephant is a simple, fun, and easy way to introduce kids to the mindful practices that has helped me cope with a fast-paced and stressful world.
Omi the Elephant is a fun and cuddly friend that helps you to take a moment to stop, breathe, and reset.